U.S. stocks falling this Monday to start the holiday week as enthusiasm over a coronavirus stimulus deal overwhelmed by worries over a new viral COVID strain in the United Kingdom. The U.S. dollar, usually seen as a safe haven, soaring this morning after the United Kingdom reported that a coronavirus variant has spread quickly in London and southeast England, causing European countries including Ireland, Germany, France, Italy, the Netherlands, as well as Belgium to impose travel bans on the United Kingdom. Meanwhile, in the Forex market this morning, the euro-dollar's worry begin that sees the downside prevail, and that's in focus as the break below the support at 121.80 triggered a downward acceleration to 121.05. Short positions below 121.80 are favored with targets at 121.20 and 121.05 in extension. The British pound-US dollar pair sees the downside prevail, while the dollar-yen intraday that sees further advance. Taking a look now at the Bitcoin dollar pair intraday, the relative strength index happens to be oversold. The pivot point for the Bitcoin dollar, 23,265. And in precious metals, gold sees the downside prevail. The relative strength index bearish and calling for further decline. Short positions below 1886 are favored with targets at 1855 and 1844 in extension. This while silver intraday sees the downside prevail.